Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to use this Chrono Image edit model to generate image that's just created from ChatGPT on other model and add this prompt right here to get the edit image on this side. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the ComfyUI and run it from this. Okay, now let's go to templates. After going to templates, let's go here and choose ComfyUI. After that, let's go right here, go down. Okay. I want to choose this model ChronoEdit to edit image like this. Okay. The requirement of using this model, we have to download this missing models. From this, you can click right here for every model to download it. Or you can copy the URL and go here, go to EDM, add URL and start download. For me, I already downloaded those files. Okay. This let's add it one by one until their paths. Okay, the first one is the VI round front home VI. Let's go here. Okay, on edit. Where is make it like that? And go come to UI. Odorless. Search for VI. Where is the first one? The name of the first one. 12.1 VI. Okay, second one. Click Vision, Definition H. Modulus. Where is Definition? Definition H. Third one, text encoder UMT5. Modulus text encoders UMT5. Fourth one, LoRa's ChronoEdit. ChronoEdit, let's paste in LoRa's. Go to Modulus. What is LoRa's? It is LoRa. Let's return to Modulus and search. Find one diffusion Modulus ChronoEdit 14 billion FP16. Diffusion Modulus. Diffusion Modulus. Drag it right here. For you can follow the same process by downloading them. After that, you can do it as you like. Okay, fine. Now, close all of them. And let's go and reload the page. Okay, now you can add your image and edit prompt. You can choose this prompt from ChatGPT for editing images. For me, I have this one. Okay, want to edit this image that's I download from ChatGPT, and I want to use this prompt about fast sharing shampoo like this. Okay, this will relate with and height. Okay, let's run and see the result. Using this model image edit with this prompt and this image to get this result, it takes around 5 minutes. Okay, I think there is no change before this and this.